Best partial sun plants for your garden. Adam's Needle Yucca. Modern gardens demand a modern plant. Excalibur Yucca is a new variation on the traditional Adam's Needle Yucca. Excalibur is slightly smaller in size with a more uniform ball shape. Allium rhododendron. This rhododendron has it all. First, you get 2 flower colors in one. Clusters of pink buds open up in mid-May to exhibit pure white blooms with pale yellow throats. Bicolor Butterfly Bush. The Bicolor Butterfly Bush features 2-tone flowers that transition from light pink to purple throughout the bloom cycle. Tiny trumpet-shaped flowers have an orange eye and bloom in cone-shaped clusters. Man Purple Rhododendron. Man Purple Rhododendron was developed by Joe Parks, who devoted himself to developing rhododendrons that could thrive in the climate of New England. Double play candy corn Spirea. Are you looking to add color to your landscape? The double play candy corn Spirea is the plant for you. Enjoyment begins in the spring when new growth appears and is a brilliant red. Little Haughty Hydrangea. Little Haughty Hydrangea is a resilient, medium-sized shrub with loaded, white to soft pink mop-head flowers that bloom in the summer and provide an interesting contrast to its vibrant green foliage. Little Lime Punch Hydrangea. The Little Lime Punch Hydrangea, also known as Hydrangea paniculata, puts on an awe-inspiring show during the summer. Flowers are a brilliant shade of lime green, and as the growing season progresses, the blooms change color, starting at the bottom of each cloud-like cluster. Luminary Ultraviolet Phlox, an improved version of the ever-popular Nicky Garden Phlox. This hybrid is going to bring you increased disease resistance and even more flowers. Allium. Ornamental onions like Allium are power performers in the garden. This variety has the pretty purple globe-like flower of alliums above clumps of slender green leaves. Tiny Tough Stuff Hydrangea. The Tiny Tough Stuff trademark hydrangea by proven winners. Color choice is the smallest, most compact hydrangea we offer. Don't let that fool you, though. Explore best partial sun plants for your garden. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.